Ashton Vlogs PH. It's another video. So today we're making chocolate Yema sandwich, guys. Today we're making chocolate Yema sandwich. So I'll show you how you will make it. So I'll show you how to make it. Okay, guys. So how to make it is you need a spoon, any Pandesal, and last but not least, chocolate Yema. So I'll show you how to make it, guys, in different ways. Wait a minute. Good. So I'll show you how to make it. First, open up your Pandesal. Your second, just do this. Yep. Okay. Okay, so once you do this, all you need, number third, open up your, yeah, look at that. And then second, and then all you need, put this up. Put it in your bread, like it's like Nutella, and then so this is very tasty, delicious. And voila! You have yourself a Pandesal, and voila! And later on, you have yourself a chocolate Yema sandwich. And more. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. See you guys in the next video. Tastes so good. I find it tastes so good. Wow, thank you for watching. Please for more on the videos, subscribe, and thank you for watching. So I hope you enjoy my recipe. Bye bye. Bye bye everybody. This is a good video. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye everybody. Thank you for watching.